Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on your Google Pixel 8. First, you have to just open the settings. Next, go to the apps, click to see all of them, and right now you can select application that you want to remove. Of course, you have to remember that all of these default system applications you actually cannot remove. So you will have this button that it's actually disabled, and you will be not able to get it to take it off. So if you first set up your device, there is no any useless or malware applications that you might delete. But if you download something that you want to remove, you have to simply open this application, and right here you will have the uninstall button, so we have to just click on it. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.